Hello. Hello. Today we are solving Jan 2023 Unit 2 question number 3 Part B. Identify either option A or option B as a source of finance for the project, giving a reason for your choice. Now the Wind Green PLC is a company that is trying to install wind turbines. Okay, and it is trying to install at least 40 wind turbines. It has two options to raise the fund. One is through the government loan and the other one is through the different fund packaging sources. Okay, these are given. In the first part of the question, we were asked to calculate weighted average cost of capital. Okay, cost of capital for option B. So in this, they are saying whether option A or option B is a suitable source of finance, and we have to give the reason. Okay, here we can see that um, so for option A, okay, either for a loan of 50 million, okay, for the both are able to raise the same amount of loan. So both are able to raise the same amount of loan. For option A, for government loan, interest rate, okay, repayment is at 8% of interest. Okay, interest rate of 8%, okay, is the repayment by the company. Every time they have to pay this 8%. Whereas for the funding package from different sources, WACC we have to calculate is at 7%. Okay, repayment. So means option B seems to be, option B is lower and is a suitable choice, right? So because it's at a lower percentage of repayment, interest repayments. Now explain one reason why the government may give a grant to Wind Green PLC. So actually for option B we had calculated here 7% was WACC. Okay, so this is also called as WACC. Now the next one is part C. Okay, explain one reason why the government may give a grant to Wind Green PLC to install the wind turbines. The government wants to give this. Okay, the government might give any grant by the government is usually given to encourage some industry. Okay, so government wants to encourage what it wants you to produce electricity. Okay, it wants to encourage production of electricity by Wind Green PLC. So one is it wants it to produce Wind Green PLC, probably it is giving a grant, and especially because, okay, especially because it's able to produce this as a, it is a green source of energy, because green source of energy. So what do you mean by green source? It is a sustainable source. Okay, green source or a sustainable source. You can use sustainable source, which means it is going to remain there forever. Okay, wind is not going to get depleted. So if you are able to produce, okay, consuming wind, you are able to produce electricity, it is going to help in a sustainable energy source. Okay, it is a sustainable energy source, means it will be available for future generations also, because the source is available for all the forever. Wind is going to be available forever, and also it is green energy, means it is a and also it is free of carbon. Okay, it is free of any carbon release. Okay, there is no release of any carbon. Whereas if you're unlike the coal, from where are you comparing your, unlike coal, okay, unlike energy production from coal and other oil. When you are going to use and produce energy, you will release some amount of carbon, and carbon is going to cause heating. Okay, it is going to increase the temperature. So this is called as, this is some sort of green energy. Okay, it is called as a green energy or a sustainable energy, or you can also say environmental friendly. Okay, also term you can use environmental friendly, and it does not involve any fossil fuel or release of carbon. Okay, because it's not, unlike the energy produced from the coal, or the coal is a type of fossil fuel. Okay, it is a type of fossil fuel. These are non-sustainable, okay, energies, and which means as you are going to use up, they are going to get depleted. Okay, it is not going to be available forever for future